Can't find the words, I just go. I don't like you, no, I love
you. If you do not like heavy breathing, smacking, moaning, just getting wild for food. If you don't like if you don't like people wild for food, then what are you doing with your life? And get the hell out of here.
Let's just put food. So damn good. Oh damn. I love it so much I don't know how to act. It's just so good. Damn. Yeah. Take the first bite. Nice. Whoa. Whoa. What did I just do? Subscribe. I love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video, alright? Peace!